Okay, look at this. This is just, it's from Beechmore Books, and it's in this gorgeous gift box, and look at how beautifully it's wrapped, and it's got this really, really nice paper on it, this tissue paper on it, and it's a gorgeous, like, I don't know, 8.5 by whatever. Oh, look at the nice little sticker there, and really nice, gorgeous. I think it's a leather covered, yeah, large leather sketchbook, 8.5 by 11.5 sketchbook here, and it's just really beautiful. This is a green color here, and somebody just came in to say hi there. Yeah, just really beautiful, beautiful gift. Oh, this is, yeah, look at this, just beautiful sketchbook here, and they sent this to us so we could show it to you, but it is in a really, look, has the little grab a hold of it and keep it closed, or use it as a bookmark there to just kind of hold your place with the elastic there. Let's see if I can grab a hold of that right there. You could just hold your place right there if you want to, or you can hold it closed. Look at, oh, just really, this is just beautiful. Wow. I'm very impressed with the quality of this. It just looks really, really gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that book. It is beautiful. This is going to make a beautiful, beautiful gift. So, yeah, if you have anybody that's really into the sketching, the artist stuff, this is just beautiful. And look at just how lovely. This is just a beautiful gift. So, yeah, I like it a lot. Thanks for sending that.